Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in our cross-country cannonball fail, you can see we got the supercharger all mounted on, but this car isn't working, so we're going with a different performance route on the other car. What we have here are turbo whistles. Yeah, they're pretty ghetto, but we got to do it. So we're gonna do a pull with the car without them, and then we're gonna do a pull with them, see if we can notice the difference. See if we got our $8.95 worth from Amazon. So these are really simple. They just get thrown up in the exhaust. I'll show you when we get to that stage. So we're gonna go down the street real quick.
I hear them. I don't hear any turbo whistles, just quiet exhaust. All right.
Hey Scott, we really need some more speed out of this thing here. I don't know.
I'm excited about the turbos.
Yeah.
I told you the turbos were going to work better than the Pro Charger.
Did we do like rear mounted turbos? Oh yeah, we did.
Oh, they're here, dude.
I don't hear anything.
David. Underload. Turbo whistles installed.
This is a closed course, by the way. I don't know.
But we don't
Now
know.
Cole, when that RPM goes 9,000, that's bad. I think I hear a little bit.
That's something, I guess.
I'm going to give it a sideways thumb.
And that completes the cannonball fail.